Welcome to the Airflow Holiday DAG. Santa's team is modernizing the holiday season with Airflow. We are building this project together in 10 videos released throughout December. By Christmas Eve, you will have learned the fundamental Airflow concepts needed to run the North Pole. Welcome back to Santa's data pipeline. Today, we will check if the kids were nice or naughty. For that purpose, I created a new snowflake table called Children's Scores and inserted a random score for each child we know. I also did it in a way so that more of the kids are nice than naughty. Let's check the overall statistics. And as you can see, we have 36 nice and 14 naughty. Let's check our DAG, and basically we will start where we left off last time. So we have a list letter files task and a read letter task, which will basically just read the contents of one of the letter files. We then define a little helper task called print letters with scores, which will basically take a list of tuples containing the letter and score of the child who wrote the letter. And here comes the fun part. First, we are reading all the letters. Then, we are using dynamic task mapping together with the read letter task to get the contents of all the letter files. You can also use dynamic task mapping with traditional operators, just like the SQL execute query operator. We combine that with the parameters argument, which lets you have database driver level substitutions. We use that to replace the child ID dynamically. Now we have letters and scores, and we can use the zip function to combine both. And now we use this result in the print letters with scores function. And that's it. Let's see if the kids were nice or naughty. Alright, let's have a look at the logs. And as you can see, for each of the letters we now also have the behavior score. And in the next episode we will use branching to work with these scores. Stay tuned.